Okay, so welcome everyone to Classroom. Zoom features, I would assume everyone would already know, like mute, raise hand, a chat button, and a camera button. Well, I'm teaching this class. I'm Matthew Wong, and yeah, introduction to G3 to G4 math, but mostly G4 math. And basically, you don't need your camera on, but I would prefer if you had your camera on. Your microphone should be off unless your hand is raised, but that'll be hard to tell unless you told me in chat. Anything is fine in chat as long as it is inappropriate, and any language is fine during the breaks or before or after like the class at school, and we'll just learn and have fun. So how will it work? This class is 60 minutes long. We will learn for about 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break, do about another 25 minutes, and then if there's extra time, all of that will be immediately used for questions or anything to help you better understand. So now, homework. Uh, every day after class, you'll be sent homework within 24 hours of the class taking place. Please submit your homework to matthew1749@gmail.com for correction, and it would help a lot if you submit your homework as a PDF. Because this makes it easier to grade and it's more universal. So yeah. So as a self-introduction, I would like everyone to introduce yourself. If you want to introduce yourself, you can just say your name and say pass. Well, for example, I am Matthew Wong. I go to American Heritage School. I am going to go into 9th grade, and I'm currently in our math competition team. Now, some of you might not want to do this. I guess that'll be fine. So is there anyone who wants to go?
I'm Gail, and I now in grade 2.
Nice to meet you too. Let's see. No one else. Hello, Daniel. Anyone else? Hello, Trinity. Goodbye, Trinity. Now, I guess I can't really pressure you into doing it, so I guess let's continue. So this year, we strive to become more interactive. We will be using the materials such as IXL, Khan Academy, and one of my own personal things I like using is quizzes as a way to be more interactive. So, what we'll be learning today, we'll be learning 2 main subjects, addition and subtraction, and if possible, it's on the end estimation. But this lesson serves more as a review due to if we forgot anything during break while we are in school or something. So let's play a quick game. It's more of an icebreaker. Everyone should go to quizzes.join, and when I switch to the tab where you all can enter the game code and it shows up here. Let me start it up. We have a person. Everyone else seems to not exist. But Rebecca, Felicia, oh no, there is it. Hello. Hi, Daniel. Daniel's back. Daniel's gone. Daniel's back. Hello, Daniel. If you don't know what we're doing, we're doing quizzes. Go to joinmyquiz.com, 776-506. To do so. Hello, Lori. Good. I'm sorry if I'm butchering your name. Currently what we're doing is that go to joinmyquiz.com and enter the join code. Hello, Wang Huang. As I've been telling everyone else currently, go to joinmyquiz.com and enter the game code. As hello Julia, welcome back. We are doing an icebreaker game. Due to everyone not wishing to introduce yourself, so it's more like everyone knows each other. So go to joinmyquiz.com and enter the game code 776506, where you see here. Where you see joinmyquiz.com, enter 776506, and choose a name to enter with. Well, I'll enter with Matthew, and there you go. So, if everyone could, I would enjoy for everyone to join. Otherwise, we can't continue. Which one am I sharing currently? My name is Sharon. Here. Alright. So, due to everyone apparently not existing, or not listening as much, let us start the game. It's something more as simple. Just ask what you like, and you can just answer anything you like. It's really not that hard. Welcome, Julia. Oh, here we go. Is that correct? I believe that should be correct. And Daniel's almost done. and then finishes the video. Okay, with the icebreaker out of the way, and that gives me a rough understanding of who is active and who I should ask questions to. Thank you for all for participating. Let us continue. The first lesson we're learning today is addition and subtraction. As I said, this is more of something to see if you remember what you're doing. This lesson really should not be hard. It's a review lesson. It says, do you know what you're doing? If you don't, you're always going to ask me during class. So let's start off with number patterns. Well, a number pattern is a pattern of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a pattern because 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is a pattern. It's anything that has a rhythm. If any of you play an instrument, you go with something called a metronome. It goes at a fixed tempo. 1, 2, 1, 2. That is at a rhythm, and it's a pattern because it's always repeatable. This is always repeatable because it's always plus 6. Now, what about place value? All humans use the place value system, whether it be base 12, base 10, base 5, base 2. Base 2 would be binary, in a sense. Base 12 is something I'm not quite as familiar with, but in a sense, it's used often for calculations. And the base 10 system is what we use to count 1, 10, hundreds, and it's right here. The value is equal to depending on the location of the number. 23 is 2 tens, 3 ones. 23. 8,419 is 8,400, 8,400, 1 tens, and 9 ones. So, place value. By utilizing place value, we are able to see if we are able to add, subtract, multiply, and so on. We are also able to tell if numbers are larger. For example, 637,289 or 637,289 would be larger than 647,289 in this case because in 6 in the 100,000 place are equal. The 3 and 4 in the 10,000 places are different. 4 is bigger than 3. Numbers. Place value, as I said, allows us to add. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 plus 3, 4, 7, 8, 5 would not be the hardest thing to add, in a sense. So, it's just asking what's 7 plus 5? Well, 7 plus 5, we all know is 12. Bring over the 1, that'll be 3. Bring over the 1, that'll be 5. There is no 1 to bring over, so that's 9. And 5 to 9. So the answer is 5, 9, 5, 9, 5, 3, 2. Does anyone have any questions? No questions?
Yes.
That's an unsure yes. Alright. Then let's continue then. So let's try some practice. Here, let me enhance my screen. And let's show this. Let's first start off with adding 2 digits up to 4. Am I showing the correct screen now? I hope so. So, can everyone see the current question on hand and not the slideshow? Yes, no, maybe. No. Daniel has an answer. Well, let's see. 4779. You added 3 and 1, that's 4. 5, 7, that's 5 and 2. I'm sorry, that's 7. 6, 1, 7, 9. Let's check it. It's correct. Now, 7, 7, 8, 4. What is the answer to that? Would anyone else know the answer? Oh no, the camera's lagging. Amazing. We know the answer, as Daniel has pointed. This is 7784 using place, and we're only adding 2. So using place value, as we know, that's just 4 plus 2, that's 6, and the rest can just be brought down. 7, 7, 8, 6. So that would be correct. Now, what about 6, 7, 6, 6 plus 1, 4, 9? Would anyone know? Hello there, Cassie. Currently, we are doing a review on, and as Daniel comes back, is 100% absolutely correct. If you went left to right, that would be 6, 8, 0. But hold up, where does this one go? So that's always why you start right to left. So it will be 5, bring a 1 over, so that's 1, 9, 6. Which is why Daniel is absolutely correct. Now, the next one is 465 plus 095. This will be the last question we'll be doing. And hello, wait, Hua, I don't know what your name is because it just says Hua Way Mate 30. But welcome. So, if you wouldn't know, or rather, if your camera's lagging says you know how to use chat, I'll offer the answer right now because I wouldn't know if you're lagging or not. And that'll be 0 being over the 1. That'll be 2 because 2 plus 9 is 11 being over the 1. And as such, that'll be plus 1, so that'll be 7. And that'll be 6 because there's nothing to bring over. What would the answer to that be? Well, let's check. It is 6720. So now, let's try something else. This is sharing correctly. Now this is sharing correctly. Now let's try 3 digits. Would you able? So with this, you can either do it the hard way, which is very 2 plus 3 plus 8, or else 5 plus 8 if you did it straightforward. Or you can see that 2 plus 8 is 10, then add 3, so that'll be 3, 3 over 1. And you can see that 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 7 is 14. And what is this answer? 8653. And he's absolutely correct. Besides the fact that 8560, I'm sorry. And that is where he is correct. Because math, bring over ones. Now, let's try this one, and then let's move on. This is 782207444. Easy way, 82, 7. Bring over the 1, that'll be 3. 74 is equal to 11. Plus, bring over the 1 is 5. Well, in the beginning, it might be harder. But then, as you see, math is full of little tricks. Or you can just do it faster. So now, let's try this last problem. 647 3884. Again, so you see 6, 4, 3, and 8. Is it just 8 plus 2 plus 1? Now, what would the answer be? As you say, 4927. Now, let's just check that. 7294. 4927. And that's 100% absolutely correct. Now, let's move on to the next one. Now, this one is slightly harder. It's 2 numbers up to 5 digits. Well, in this case, it's only 4 digits right now. So, What will you do? Yes, add 7.66. I hit the wrong number, and that's correct. What this one? Remember, 8 plus 5 is just the same as 8 plus 2 plus 3. You always want to make it easier. One, 2, 4, 9, 3. That is the correct answer worked out. There we go. Now what about 81030024? What would that be equivalent to? This one should be easy. 60389. That is 100% absolutely correct. Oh no, I forgot to sign in. Hold up. Wait, let me move this here. And let me sign in. Be right back. Oh, hello, Felicia. As you see, we were doing problems, but I forgot to sign in due to not signing into the problem. Oh no. Oh, I'm signing in right now. And please let me. There we go. I have now signed in. Where is this thing? Here you go. Oh wait, no. wanna redo this thing. Oh no, I've messed it up. Wait. Then what happens if I just there we go. Yeah, it's fixed. I'm sorry. But yeah, let us continue on. Hello, welcome back, Daniel. So, wait, let me change this. Let's try this. What is 40640 plus 578 plus 83? That's easy. 8 plus 3 is the same as 8 plus 2 plus 1. That'll be 1. Use 8 plus 2 is 10, which is 0 plus 1 is 1. Bring over the 1. 4 plus 2, 4 plus 8 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. Plus 7 is 20, so that's 0. Obviously, as Daniel has, it's 1. And Daniel, let's check your answer. It's incorrect. The correct answer is 5301. I actually don't know if you put 1 or 3. I'm 99% sure you put 1. But it's because if you put 1, 4 plus 7 plus 8, well, that is the same as 19. But remember, you have to bring over a 1. So that this 6 plus 5, well, that's 11. It's actually 13. So you most likely forgot to bring over the 1. 2. Do you understand now? Yeah. Let's just go. Okay. Okay, now 9, 4, 1. Now this is equal to 8 plus 1. 9, 6. That's the same as 10 plus 5. 5 and 4. Does anyone know the answer to this? No one? Now let's go. 8 plus 1 is 9. Oh, Daniel's here. 4, 6, 5, 9. Unfortunately, you're absolutely correct there, Daniel. Now, would you know 299? Now, Daniel, either you can solve this the hard way, or you can realize 49 plus 1 is 50. 299 plus, so just ignore this, or this, so that'll be 1. Or 299 plus 50, 5. That'll be 4 out of 1. 3. And you're correct there, Daniel. What about 3, 3, 6, 7, 9, 1, 4, 7, and 7, 7? You see that 4 and 6 make 10, 7, 3 make 10. Now, would anyone be able to solve this? 8227. 8227. Is that what you need? Now, let's try. That is equal. Oh no, Daniel, the answer is wrong. Would you like to know why? 3, 7 is 10 plus 1. That's 11, but you brought over 1. What happens to bring over the second one to here, 3, 9? Then this would actually be 3. And then you also, everything else is correct. Yes, that is correct now. No, this one is still 2. 6, 4, 7. That's 10 plus 7, that's 17. Bring over the 1, so that's 3, 7, that's 10, plus 1, plus the 1 you brought over. So that is 2. So the original 2 you had was correct, but you forgot to bring over the 1 here. So that's why the answer is 8327. Got it? Yeah. Let us go. Okay. Submit, and that's the correct score. Now, here's the first one before I continue to something else. About 2313096225556. Two three 30133. Is that what you mean? This is 8, correct. This is 0, so that's correct. Hold up, Daniel. Where is this 1 from? 6 plus 5 is 1, but there's also a 1 here, so this would already be 2. But then you have to bring up the 1 here because this is 10, right? So that will actually be 3 here. This would be 3 as corrected, and this would also be 3. So the actual answer is 33308. Got it? In math isn't actually that hard. It's just that, as some people put it, what makes it and breaks it is the stupid mistakes you make in life. Or, as I say in math, if you make something on accident, that's how you lose the competition. A lot of people do this. Now, see, that's right. Now, here's the last one, because this one's actually hard. I'm sorry, I said the other one was the last one. 938837987 or 78. Seven nine seven three zero. Wait. 3077. Now let's check that. 8. 9 plus 8. Well, should we try simplifying this? About 9 plus 3, that's 12 plus 8. So that's 0, which is correct. So you bring over 2. 8, 3, that's correct. Well, you bring over 1. That's 7. That's also correct. You bring over 1. This answer is absolutely correct. Now, let me go into my changing screen mode, which is literally just in my changing screen mode. Okay. Now, let's try something else before we go on to. Okay, let's do this. Now, let's change the screen back. This one. There we go. Now, let me go on and explain this question. Well, everyone knows subtraction is just reverse addition, correct? So let's do the reverse addition. So, what do we do here? Now, 426724. That'll be 7 minus 4 is 3, 6 minus 5 is 1, 2 minus 2, so that'll be 0, and this will be 4. The answer? Now, what? Now, here's the thing. 153, 8, 1. Now, let's see this. 0043. 1. Whoa there, Daniel. That would be 100% the correct solution if we were doing addition. Look here, we're doing subtraction. Subtraction is reverse addition. Okay, let me get my very bad notepad. Here's my very bad notepad. So, 6 subtractions, if you didn't notice, is reverse addition. So, 6 minus 3, 810. So then, in essence, what is we want 80 plus x is 6623. So what is this x? That's what subtraction is. So what does Daniel have? 2823. Is Daniel stumbling on the correct answer? 3, 2. Did he? Yes. And Daniel has figured. Yes, as you know, if this is 6, you have to borrow 10 for 10. This is actually just 1,000. So it's 16 minus 8, that's 8. Daniel is absolutely correct. Let me get rid of this. Oh no, let me get rid of this. There you go. What's this? Not the hardest thing. 11350. Now let's check that. And that's absolutely correct. Okay. So with that, it's 8:38. We are temporarily going to go on break until let's just say 8:43, because all of you have been working very hard, I'm sure. So when you come back at 8:43, I shall explain subtraction better, because I did a very rough job of explaining it, and we shall continue the practice of subtraction, is a better way of saying it. I just realized I was muted the entire time. Let's pretend that never happened. That's the saddest thing I've done, and still the first day of class. Alright, so let's continue class. Let us talk now about subtraction. Subtraction, in a sense, is just, well, reverse addition. When you add, you go up. When you subtract, you come back down. As gravity says, must come up, must come down. So when you add it, you must come back down and subtract. Like 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. Up, down. So this is a number line. When you add, let's start at, what's the number? Let's start with 8. 8. Now, let's just say we added 2. We went to 10. Now, if we subtract 2, that's the same as going back. So, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 minus 2 is 8. It's our add subtraction family. So, what can we learn from this is that, let's erase this. Anything you do can be reversed if it's just rational numbers. So, example, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 minus 3, 4, 7, 1, 8, 5. As we are, when we do long subtraction, left to right, so it'll be 2. But the 4 and 8, so you must bring over a 1 from the 3, so this will become 2. Let's put a line over this. Let's put a line over this. So this is now 14 minus 8 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 7, oh no, you have to borrow another one, so this becomes 0. And this becomes 12. 12 minus 5 is 5. 0 minus 4, which means you must borrow another one. 0 minus, so it's 10 minus 4 is 6, and 5 minus 3 is 2. And you see, 2, 6, 1, 6, 2. 我是个人好朋友。I am a person's friend. 一个人好朋友。Interesting. 我也是你的朋友，好吧？我也是你的老师。Alright. And it will be probably more grammatically correct if you said 我是一个人的朋友. So let's continue on with math. I'm not your Chinese teacher today. And also, as you see, the top number is always larger than the smaller number. Due to, let's not deal with negatives, because negatives mean we have to go beyond the 0. We must go beyond infinity. Beyond. So, as I said, let's return back to the practice. Let us share the screen. So it might be, let's not do this one. Let us do this one. Hello, Rebecca. What question do you have? This is your commander on board.
Well, teacher, I just tried IXL, but then because I didn't have a membership, so and I don't even, and I used I used the things as my dad, so then I didn't do it, and then I
Yeah,
didn't
that's
have,
fine. Because
and
that's
it
also
didn't
why
allow you even to do more things.
that's completely fine. Because for that you actually have to pay. That's why I'm presenting it here. Because well, for one, because you need a membership and pay, and two, that's also why in the middle I said I forgot to sign in, and that's why I signed in. So,
but I don't have an email.
no, it's fine. That's 100% fine. That's why I'm doing it in class and showing it on screen if you guys can see it, instead of having you guys do it. Your homework is something completely different. Okay?
Okay.
But if you 100% desperately want to do IXL, want to see something smaller, so if you go, let's take this link. Now, if you go to an incognito window and you enter it, because it runs on non IP-based address, it automatically gets reset. So this is how you get free membership. Well, it's not free membership, because it's not really membership. But this is how you can re-access to IXL if you wanted to without having to pay. Let's go back. Let us go back. So let's go to 26431 minus 15020. So would this be equal to 1 minus 0 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 0 is 4, 6 minus 5 is 1, and 2 minus 1 is 1. Oh no, I finished the daily limit. Thus, go back. Thus, fix this. Hold up. Okay. Chrome. Oh. Okay. Where's my share screen button? I'm back. There we go. 8054 minus 160. This is the last problem I'm doing because it's 8:51 right now. And so let's annotate. Let's see. Where's the answer you can get? That would be completely the absolute wrong answer if you're subtracting, but that's completely the correct answer if you're adding. But we're subtracting here. Look at the sign of the force. So, let me go get an eraser. And let me go. How do you annotate this? I feel like a boomer. How do you draw the line? I figured it out. Amazing. Anyways, 7891, 1. They borrowed the 1. Oh, there. Why is this an 8? It should be a 9. 10 minus 1 is not 8. It's 9. I could draw. It's a 9. Look. 4 minus 3 is 1, right? Easy. 5 minus 6. Well, you can't subtract 5 from. You can't subtract 6 from 5 because you only have 5 parts. Where are you going to get the extra 1 from? So you take 1 from here. Oh wait, it's a 0. So you take 1 from here, so this becomes 7. This becomes. Oh wait, my math is so bad. You were 100% correct. I am so completely sorry for my unable to math myself. I feel like I look very not smart as I try to show off my ability to completely subtract.
Actually, I need to do worse than math than this.
Yeah. It's okay. Everyone makes mistakes. As
Yeah,
you just
every
saw,
time I have a math question.
this is exactly how. Okay. Okay, now let's do this. Then I'm going to call the end to class. Let's let me erase this. Would anyone know how to solve this one? I promise I would actually check the work properly. This one should be easy. Let's go. 4, 2, 1, 4, 4. This would be 4. 7, 3 would be 4. 6, 5 would be 1. 9, 7 would be 2. 4 would be 4. Rebecca, Daniel, and other people I don't know the names. You guys are absolutely correct. Solve it faster than I did. 4, 2, 1, 4, 4. Correct. Now, so I don't get late. It's 8:55, everyone, which means class is over. Well, technically, unless you guys want to do more math problems. And if you guys don't want to ask questions. Yes, I am very.
That teacher, can you give the break? Give me the break, the ice link again.
Break the ice link? Sure, let me go find it. I should have it. You want to play it again?
Yes.
Hold up. No. Eh. Okay. Eh. I guess, yeah, we can play it 100% right now. Eh. I am. Which one? Where is it? I have. Wait. Let me unshare my screen. How to stop share? I need to find link. Link. I found link. Okay. Yes. Now let's go. I did the thing. Yo. Felicia, what is your question? If I can pull a chat.
Can I send my homework to the email to you?
I didn't send out the homework yet, though.
Email?
Excel is not homework. I feel like I should make this clear at this point. But IXL is not homework. That's 100% classwork. Right after this class, in 3 minutes, is your homework. If I can find your email addresses after I ask Cloud Classroom. Okay, let me ask them again right now. Yes, I'm sorry if I misled you. Anyways, this is the quizzes that you all wanted, but no one is joining. Hello, Sunny. Yes, we are the pensive gang. Yes. Waiting for everyone to join who hasn't joined. Sad. Yes. All participants. Yeah. Monkey. Monkey with banana. Bus is actually over in 1 minute. So all of you can leave right now if you wanted to. For some reason, all of you guys are still here. You all still feel that you can listen to my pensive drawing, or my drawing of unable to draw. Bye. Bye. Or you can listen to me speak very bad Chinese. Wow. 四一的 You can leave right now. 老师 The Dr. Julia Daniel Wang Huang. You all can leave. See my amazing drawing of I feel my Chinese skills are underestimated. Just right. Wow. Yes, I need to take Chinese class too. Bye, Daniel. Have a good Chinese class.
Bye.
Bye. Have a good time. Julia, Rebecca, Wang Huang. Class is over. Leave the class. Yes. Oh, there goes Julia. Julia's here. Okay, let me start this for Julia. Rebecca's still here. It's also Wang Huang. Hello there. Would you like to chat with me? Taking after class? There goes Wang Huang. Someone called one? Are you number one? Let's go, one, let's go. Rebecca, you ain't going? I'll stick around for 3 more minutes. Well, let's go.